नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, एक्सपर्ट टीचिंग बाय कैलास गायकवाड सर या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये तुमचे स्वागत आहे. ज्याप्रमाणे की आपण सिमिलॅरिटी हा चॅप्टर स्टार्ट केला होता आहे आणि त्यामध्ये आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.1 हे पूर्ण केलेलं आहे. आज आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.2 स्टार्ट करणार आहोत आणि त्यामध्ये आपण बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनॅलिटी थेरम, अँगल बायसेक्टर थेरम याविषयी काही प्रॉब्लेम पाहणार आहोत. चला मग practice set 1.2. Given below are some triangles and length of line segment. Identify in which figure ray PM is the bisector of angle QPR. Now in figure, triangle PQR is, now therefore the first we can write QM divided by MR. Now QM divided by MR is equal to another side QP divided by PR. Now QP divided by PR. Now this equation is gives as the angle bisector property. Now QM 3.5, MR 1.5 is equal to QP 7 and PR 3. Now therefore 5 7 चा 35 and 5 3 चा 15, that is 7 by 3. The two sides are equal, then ray PM is the angle bisector of angle QPR. Now we can see the first problem. Now the second problem will be now the second diagram is that is R P Q 6 8 10 and 7. Now therefore in figure the triangle PQR is, now therefore the side that is PM, therefore side RM divided by MQ is equal to RP divided by PQ. Now this equation is gives as angle bisector property. Now the value of RM is 6 and MQ is 8, RP is 7 and PQ is 8. Now the both sides are not equal. Now we can divide 1 minute PQ and 10. The both sides are not equal. Now we can divide, that is 3 by 4 equal to 7 by 10. The both sides are not equal. Therefore ray PM is not angle bisector of angle RPQ. Now this is second problem. Now the third, now the third diagrams, that is Q, P, R and M. Now this is 3.6 and 4, that is 9 and 10. Then in figure triangle PQR is, therefore we can take QM divided by MR. Now is equal to another side QP divided by PR. Now this equation is gives as the angle bisector property. Now QM is 3.6, MR and 4, QP and 9, and PR is 10. Now therefore we can remove the decimal. 36 divided by 40 and 9 divided by 10. Now therefore we can divide 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40, 9 by 10. Both sides are equal. Then ray PM is the angle bisector of angle that is QPR. Now this is first question and the 3 diagrams. Now the another is question number 2. Now the question number 2 will be, it's question number 2. In triangle PQR, that is PM equal to 15. Now PQ equal to 25, PR equal to 20, NR equal to 8. State whether line NM is parallel, like NM is parallel to side RQ and give reason. Now the diagram. This is diagram NM and P, R and Q. The value of PQ is 25 and value of PM is 15. Now this value is 20 and this value is 8. No. Therefore, in triangle PQR, PM is 15, that is PQ is 25, PR is 20, NR is 8. Then we can prove that NM parallel to side RQ and give reason. Now, therefore, in figure, triangle PQR is, therefore, we can calculate the value of PN and value of MQ. Now, the value of PR is, now PR equal to PN plus NR. Therefore, PR value 20 is equal to PN plus NR 8. Now 20 plus minus 8 is equal to PN. 20 minus 8 is equal to 12 is equal to PN. That is the value of PN is 12. That is value of PN is 12. We can calculate value of MQ. Now therefore PQ is equal to, that is PM plus MQ. Now value of PQ is 25, PM is 15, and we can calculate the value of MQ. Now 25 minus 15 equal to MQ. We can subtract 10 equal to MQ and MQ equal to 10. Now we can write the value of MQ 10. Now therefore the triangle PQR is, now by using the basic proportionality theorem, PN divided by NR is equal to PM divided by MQ. That is basic proportionality theorem. Now value of PM is 12, value of NR is 8, value of PM is 15, and value of MQ is 10. Now we can divide 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8, 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. Both ratio are equal. Then the sec NM parallel to side RQ. Now we can see. Now this is question number 2. Then another is question number 3. Then the question number 3 will be, now the question number 3, we can calculate the value of QP. We can calculate the value of QP. Now this is angle bisector, that is M, N, P and Q. Now there is 2.5, 5, 7. Find the value of QP and PQ. Now in figure, triangle MNP is, in figure triangle MNP, comma, sec NQ be the angle bisector of angle MNP. Now we can use the formula for angle bisector, MQ divided by QP. Therefore another is MN divided by NP. Now we can use the MN divided by NP or MQ divided by QP. Now this is angle bisector property. Now angle bisector property. Therefore value of MQ 2.5. We can calculate the value of QP is equal to value of MN is 5 and value of NP is 7. Now take the cross multiplication. 2.5 into 7, therefore 5 into QP. Now therefore 2.5 into 7 multiplication चे 5 dividation मध्ये is equal to QP. Therefore 5 5 चा 25, 0.5 into 7 equal to QP. 7 5 चा 35 is equal to QP. The final answer QP equal to 3.5. This is required answer, that is QP equal to 3.5. We can see. Now take the another question. The question number 4 will be, now the question number 4, prove that measure of some angle in the figure. Prove that AP divided by PB and is equal to AQ divided by QC. Now therefore A, P, Q, B and C, this is 60 degree and this is 60 degree. Now in figure triangle ABC is the angle P, concurrent angle P, that is corresponding angle, or interior angle, corresponding angle or interior angle. Now by using corresponding angle test, the line PQ parallel to BC, therefore sec PQ parallel to side BC. Now by using basic proportionality theorem, AP divided by PB, therefore AP divided by PB and AQ divided by QC, that is by using basic proportionality theorem, this can prove. Now another is question number 5. Find the value of BQ. Now this is A, B, C, D, P, Q. Now AP is 15, PD is 12, QC is 14. Find the value of PQ. Now find the value of BQ. This is trapezium. Now in figure, the quadrilateral ABCD is, therefore sec AB parallel to sec PQ and parallel to sec CD. Now therefore we can use property of intercept of three parallel line. Therefore AP divided by PD is equal to BQ divided by QC. Property of intercept of three parallel line. Property of intercept of three parallel line. Now therefore value of AP is 15, value of PD is 12, is equal to, we can calculate the value of BQ, and QC is 14. Now the cross multiplication, 15 into 14 and BQ equal to 12, that is 15 into 14 multiplication चे dividation मध्ये 12 is equal to BQ. Now we can divide 5 3s are 15, 14, no please, that is 15 into 14 divided by 12, that is 15 as it is, and 3 5s are 15 and 3 4s are 12 is equal to BQ. Now therefore we can multiply 14 into 5, that is 5 4s are 20, carries a 2, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2 7, divide by 4 is equal to BQ. Therefore divide 4 1s are 4, carries a 3, that is 4 7s are 28 and 4 5s are 20, that is BQ equal to 17.5. Now this is the value of BQ, and 17.5. Now another is question number 6. That is question number 6. Find the value of QP. Now this diagram, the angle bisector properties. Now this is angle bisector, that is M, Q, P n, and this is 40, this is 25, and this is 14, and find the value of QP. Now therefore, in figure, triangle MNP is, in figure triangle MNP, sec NQ is the angle bisector of angle MNP. Then by using property of angle bisector theorem, we can use MQ divided by QP is equal to MN divided by NP. That is MN divided by NP. This is angle bisector theorem. Now therefore, MQ is 14. We can find the value of QP. MN is 25, NP is 40. Now therefore, we can take cross multiplication. 14 into 40, 25 equal to QP. Therefore 14 into 40 multiplication चे dividation मध्ये 25 is equal to QP. Now we can divide 14 into 5 8 चा 40, 5 5 चा 25 is equal to QP. Now therefore 8 4 चा 32 carry झाले 3, 8 1 चा 8, 8 plus 3 11 divided by 5 is equal to QP. Now 5 2 चा 10 carry झाला 11, 5 2 चा 10 carry झाले 2, 5 4 चा 20 is equal to QP. That is QP equal to 22 divided 0.5. Now the question number 7 will be, now the question number 7 is, that is question number 7. Now the question number 7, now these values 1 2 and 3 lines, B D F A C E, 12 X 8 and 4. We can calculate the value of X and value of AE. Now in figure, sec AB parallel to sec CD parallel to sec EF. That is 3 line parallel, AB, CD and EF. Now therefore we can use BD divided by DF. Now E is equal to AC divided by CE. Therefore property of intercept of 3 parallel line. Property of intercept of 3 parallel line. Value of BD is 8. Value of DF is 4. Value of AC is 12. Value of CE is X. Take cross multiplication. 8 into X and 12 into 4. Therefore X equal to 12 into 4 divided by 8. That is 4 2s are 8. 12 divided by 2. 2 6 are 12. The value of X is 6. And we can take value of AE. The value of AE is AC plus CE. Now value of AE is equal to 12 plus X. Now 12 as it is. Value of X is 6. 12 plus 6 18. No. This is question number 7. Now another question is, now this is question number 7. Another is question number 8. Find the value of LT. Now diagram will be, this is L, M, N, T. This is angle bisector 6, 8 and 10. We can find the value of LT. Now in figure, triangle LMN is triangle LMN, comma, ray MT be the angle bisector of angle LMN. Then by using property of angle bisector theorem, the property of angle bisector theorem is LM divided by MN is equal to LT divided by TN. We can use LT divided by TN is equal to LM divided by MN. Both are correct. Then we can use this equation. Now angle bisector theorem is LT divided by TN. Now LT divided by TN is equal to LM divided by MN. LM divided by MN, angle bisector theorem. Now therefore value of LT we can calculate. Value of LT, value of TN is 8, value of LM is 6 and MN is 10. Take cross multiplication, LT into 10, 8 into 16. Now LT equal to 8 into 6 divided by 10. LT equal to 8 6 are 48 divided by 10. Now LT equal to 4.8. Now this is question number 8. We can see the question number 8. Now the question number 8 will be, another is question number 9. The question number 9 will be, find the value of x. Then question number 9, find the value of x, the given information in the figure. Take the given information. Now this value will be d, x minus 2, x plus 2, x plus 5, that is b, a, c, and this angle bisector and x. We can find the value of x. Then in figure, triangle ABC, comma, sec BD be the angle bisector of angle ABC. Then by using property of angle bisector theorem, that is AD divided by DC and AB divided by BC. Now therefore AD divided by DC is equal to AB divided by BC, that is angle bisector theorem. Now take the value of AD is x minus 2, value of DC is x plus 2 and value of AB is x, value of BC is x plus 5. Now take the values. Now we can take the cross multiplication. X minus 2 x plus 5 is equal to x bracket x plus 2. We can take the cross multiplication. Now value of x is as it is, another bracket x plus 5, that is minus 2, another bracket x plus 5 is equal to x into x, x square plus x into 2, 2x. Therefore x into x, x square plus x into 5, 5x minus 2 into x, 2x minus plus minus 2 5s are 10 is equal to x square plus 2x. Now therefore x square plus 5x minus 2x is equal to 3x minus 10 is equal to x square plus 2x. Now x square cancel. Therefore 3x minus 10 is equal to 2x. Therefore 3x plus इकडे येऊन minus 2x minus तिकडे जाऊन plus 10. Now the answer will be 3x minus 2x, that is x equal to 10. Now this is required answer, x equal to 10. या ठिकाणी आपण एक्सरसाइज 1.2 मधले क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 पर्यंत पाहिलेले आहेत. यानंतरचं ॲक्टिव्हिटी आणि सेकंड क्वेश्चन आपण नेक्स्ट पिरियडमध्ये पाहणार आहोत. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 9.